When you get your Terain Mini Baler, the twine arm will need to be timed. This is the twine arm, and when you pull on it, you won't be able to pull it up. So what you do is you open the end panel to access your twine pulley. Take a note of your twine. You want to take it off the pulley and then turn the twine pulley clockwise. Keep turning till it pops. You gently take the twine arm, lift it all the way up, gently let it back, and it should be in the 1 o'clock position. That's what it should look like, otherwise your baler will not bale. If the twine arm does not pop up, which happens occasionally, depends how it's set, you turn the pulley clockwise till the cam is just past horizontal. Take note of the sharp blade. Don't cut yourself. When you're done adjusting the twine arm, this twine will have to be put back on the pulley. So you can use the small pulley or the large one. You pull the string in, tighten it up. There you go, ready to go.